Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD Toolbar disappeared after update using the easy method. This is a great way to pull your hidden button rows back onto your screen on your setup session so you can stop hunting for tools and start drawing right away. Let's get into it. Step 1. Turn the top ribbon menu back on. The first step is to use a basic typing command to tell the software to reveal the large main button strip that usually sits at the very top of your workspace canvas. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing box at the bottom of your screen, type the word ribbon, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Watch the top section of your monitor view to see if the large panel filled with your main drawing tools pops back into place. This is the start of everything because a major update will often toggle the main display view to a clean mode, hiding your primary tools from your site. You have to run this basic reveal command so you can force the main visual framework to open up. Without this step, you would be looking at a completely blank screen workspace with nowhere to click for your lines. Step 2. Cycle through the ribbon display states. Next, you can use a quick mouse click trick on the main panel heading to quickly rotate through different visual modes until your full button rows show up again. Move your pointer up to the very top row where your menu tabs live, use the small drop-down icon at the top, and keep clicking until the toolbar appear again. Keep tapping that tiny arrow icon repeatedly to watch the top display switch from completely hidden to tiny text rows and finally back to giant clickable buttons. Because sometimes your software update doesn't delete your tools, but simply minimizes them into a tiny layout format to save screen space. By cycling through these view steps with your mouse, you force the program to stretch the top dashboard back out to its maximum height. It ensures you don't have to type long commands just to see your main draw buttons. Step 3. Reset your interface by flipping your workspace. Now, you need to trigger a quick layout refresh by telling the program engine to load a completely different layout style before flipping right back to your favorite setup. Move your pointer down to the lower edge panel or click on the gear icon at the bottom right to pick another workspace before going back again to refresh the display template. Click the gear, select a style like 3D Basics from the list, wait 2 seconds for the screen to blink, click the gear once more, and select your original drafting option. Because flipping the template styles acts as a hard reset for your visual layout. When an update leaves your screen blank, switching back and forth forces the system to pull a clean, uncorrupted copy of your toolbar rows straight out of its master memory files. It is the key step to getting the right output because it irons out any temporary display glitches instantly. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD Toolbar disappeared after update, you must first type ribbon to open your top tool panel. Then you use the small drop-down icon at the top and keep clicking until the buttons roll back down. Next, you click on the gear icon at the bottom right to pick another workspace before going back to refresh the display template. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.